Okay guys, hopefully hubby can work his magic and all this will be in one video. Otherwise this will be a part 3. Okay, so I've managed to put on, I untangled, as soon as I turned the camera off it untangled, would you believe it? Right, so I've gone up to where we put this one in. So what we do now is we put this back through that hole that it came out of or went into. So we put that in, and I'm not going to tie that off yet because that will become part of our dangle, which I will show you soon. Oh, and I dropped the needle. Of course I do. Everything was going smoothly until I turned the camera back on. It's a sign. No videos today. Alrighty, so now we've done that. Actually, so let me just wrap this around because we need to go back up through that hole to bring this back to the outside. It's just, you are kidding me. Come on, people don't need to see this. Why are you being so much of a pain? Alright, so we just do a little loop there. Like I said, this is the way I do them. If you can find a better way, by all means, whatever makes you comfortable. Okay, so we're back out this hole. Now we go back in and we start on our second signature. So we grab our middle one, which is this one, and all the lines, or the holes I should say, should all be, so I need 3. 1, 2, 3 down. I hope this is the top. Is it the top? I will soon find out. Do the holes line up? Because this is why I mark top. So the holes should always be, and you don't have one down low, one up high signature. I mean, sorry guys, these will get better. I hope. I hope. Okay, so we go into that hole. So we do exactly the same thing. We've got that. We go in that one. In that one. No. No, 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 no. Well, guys, this is absolutely a fail. This is bad. I am sorry. Like I said, they will get better, I hope. Okay, so what I could have done is put a bead on that side and on that side, but yeah, why not? Sorry guys. Okay, I just thread my needle again, find a bead. I've got some pretty beads here, I might as well use them. Like I said, whoever made these, thank you so much, because they are a perfect fit. Absolutely perfect. And they go with the journal. So yes, whoever put these in Junie's Beyond Blue pack, your work is amazing. Alright, so we go back out through this hole. I find that hole right there. Grab another bead, and I'm going to have just the right amount to do this. Okay, 2 more holes to do on this signature. I wish I could make it easier for you guys. I'm sorry. Alright, let's put another one on for here. Put a small one on the bottom. And back through this hole. It's really not as difficult as I'm making it out to be. Okay, I just thought I would let you know that right now. I'm sorry if I'm making it look hard, but it's not. Like I said, there are a lot of people out there who make the most amazing journals. They have better tutorials than me. I'm just a YouTube beginner. Hopefully I will get better as I go along. Okay. So after we've sewn in the signatures, that will be the end of this video, and then I will be making a embellishment one on how we decorate and embellish our junk journals. And towards the end, who knows, maybe I might use it as a giveaway. We'll see what happens. So keep watching, and I might just have a surprise giveaway at some point. Okay, so we do the same thing. We go in, around if we want that. I don't put a knot, I just put a little loop just to hold the 2 stitches together like that, and then I put it back through on the other side. So that is there, and then we repeat. So we put it across. Like I said, this is the way I do mine. Whichever way you want to do yours, that is perfectly okay. So 1, 2, 3 holes down. We're on the home run, guys. I'm just going to find that. There it is. So because this is the off, we will get a bead with this one. I do like beaded journals. I think they look very nice. And no, it's the next one. So let's put that in there. Find this hole. I like using the embroidery thread. It's a stronger cotton than cotton. Okay, so I'll find that hole. There it is. So on our next run up, we'll put the beads on. I hope you can see If not, yell at me. Oh dear. Alright. Now we're on the home straight. Just put that in here. Put that on the last hole. Alright. So back through. Beads. Back through. Yep. Don't do it again. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Alright. Beads. Okay, see what we've got left in here. Now I just dropped one. Of course I did. Okay, and this will be it, guys. So sorry to be boring and whatnot. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, give me a thumbs up to let me know. If not, tell me what I could do better, which I'm sure is a lot. Okay, so let's just finish this off, and then that will be it, guys. So I hope this was a help to somebody. Now back through this one, if I can find. There we go. Through there, and then we wrap around on the inside of this one, under that side, under that side, so it forms a loop around there, and then back through there. Okay, so now we have, actually, you know what, I should have started these up the top here, but that's okay. We can just tie this off now, add a dangle at a later date, do whatever it is that we want to do. Just turn that around again to tighten that up. No, it's not going to work. I might just have to do a bit of Mod Podge or something, or a glue to hold it. So anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed. If you wanted to, you could have put more beads up here. I kind of like it that way because I have plans for up here. So here is what we've done so far. We've done our cover, we've done our envelopes. Let me just drag those paper clips off. Okay, and there we have it. There is a three signature junk journal, made completely of junk at this point in time. So we've got handmade paper beads, string, embroidery floss, or whatever you want to call it, our cover, and our envelopes inside. So the next video, guys, will be a few decorations in here and some embellishments. And thank you once again for watching, and I hope I haven't been too boring. I hope I have helped somebody on how to sew the signatures in. It's a good way to start practicing on old bits of envelope. Anyway, guys, take care, and until the next video, I shall talk to you all soon. Bye.